Do you want to transform your Shopify store into a six-figure business? We've got you covered. We're here to guide you on a journey that will turn your Shopify store from zero to a thriving six-figure business in 2024. This tutorial will act as your blueprint, equipping you with the knowledge and tools necessary to master Shopify or Shopify dropshipping. Our 6 simple steps are designed to help you identify your ideal customer, craft a compelling six-figure offer, optimize your shopping mechanics for the best user experience, and drive targeted traffic to your online store. But we're not stopping there. We'll also show you how to build a profitable email list and leverage ninja math to ensure sustainable growth for your business. So get ready to transform your online store and watch your profits soar. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned e-commerce enthusiast, this tutorial is for you. Stay tuned as we delve into Step 1, identifying your ideal customer. Step 1 is all about identifying your ideal customer. This is the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy, and it's particularly crucial when it comes to e-commerce. Your ideal customer or target audience is the group of people who are most likely to buy your products. They are the ones who will find the most value in what you offer and who will keep coming back for more. But how do you identify this group? There are a few strategies you can employ. First, consider the product you're selling. Who would find it useful? Who would it appeal to? Think about their age, location, gender, and interests. These are your demographic variables. Next, think about their psychographic variables. What are their attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors? What problems are they trying to solve? What desires are they trying to fulfill? Surveys, social media analytics, and customer interviews can provide invaluable insights here. Once you've gathered this information, you can create a customer profile or persona. This is a detailed description of your ideal customer, and it can guide everything from product development to marketing messaging. But remember, identifying your ideal customer isn't a one-and-done exercise. It's an ongoing process. As your business evolves, so too will your understanding of your audience. Regularly revisiting and refining your customer profile will ensure that you stay in tune with your audience's needs and wants. With a clear picture of your perfect customer, you are now ready to craft a six-figure offer. Now let's dive into Step 2. Crafting a six-figure offer. What exactly is a six-figure offer? In essence, it's an offer so irresistible, so packed with value, that it has the potential to generate over $100,000 in revenue. But how do you create such a compelling offer? First, you need to understand that a six-figure offer isn't just about the price tag, it's about the value you're providing. To craft your offer, you need to dig deep and truly understand what your customers want and need. When you can provide a solution to a problem they're facing or fulfill a desire they have, you're offering them value. And that's the cornerstone of a six-figure offer. Next, consider exclusivity. What makes your offer stand out from the crowd? Perhaps it's a unique product or a special bundle of products. Maybe it's a service that no one else provides. Exclusivity increases the perceived value of your offer and makes it more desirable to potential customers. Then let's talk about pricing. It's important to strike a balance between competitive and profitable. You want your price to be appealing to customers, but it also needs to be high enough to ensure you turn a profit. Remember, a six-figure offer doesn't mean selling something for $100,000, it means selling enough of something to generate that amount in revenue. Finally, remember to communicate your offer effectively. Use clear, compelling language to convey the value and exclusivity of your offer. Make it easy for potential customers to understand why they should choose your product or service over others. Crafting a six-figure offer takes time, thought, and a deep understanding of your target market. But when you get it right, the results can be extraordinary. You're not just selling a product or service, you're providing a solution, fulfilling a desire, and creating a unique experience for your customers. And that's the kind of value that can turn a Shopify store into a thriving six-figure business. With your six-figure offer in place, it's time to optimize your shopping mechanics. So, you've got your offer ready. Step 3 is all about optimizing your shopping mechanics. Let's dive in. The shopping experience you provide can make or break your store. It's as simple as that. A seamless, enjoyable journey from browsing to purchasing is what keeps customers coming back for more. So, how can you ensure this? Start by streamlining your checkout process. Reduce the number of steps, keep forms simple, and offer multiple payment options. The easier it is to buy, the more likely customers are to follow through. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Cart abandonment. It's a common issue, but it's not an unbeatable one. Use analytics to identify where customers are dropping off. Is it during account creation, at the payment page? Once you know the problem, you can start fixing it. But wait, there's more to optimizing shopping mechanics than just tackling cart abandonment. It's about creating a smooth, intuitive, and enjoyable shopping experience. This includes everything from ensuring your product pages are well-designed and informative, to making sure your site loads quickly and runs smoothly. Remember, your store is more than just a place to sell products. It's an experience. Make it a good one, and you'll not only see a boost in sales but also in customer loyalty. With optimized shopping mechanics, you're now ready to drive targeted traffic to your store. Step 4 is all about driving targeted traffic to your store. In the e-commerce world, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. But not just any traffic, you need targeted traffic. This means attracting visitors who are interested in what you're selling and are more likely to make a purchase. Let's talk about some strategies to drive this kind of traffic. First up is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about optimizing your store and its content to rank high on search engine results. When people search for products like yours, you want your store to be one of the first they see. To achieve this, you need to understand what keywords your potential customers are using, and incorporate those into your product descriptions, blog posts, and even your store's metadata. Next, let's discuss social media marketing. With billions of people using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest each day, social media can be a gold mine for targeted traffic. Start by identifying where your ideal customers hang out online, and then create engaging content that speaks to their interests and needs. Remember, social media isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships and trust, which can lead to more sales in the long run. Paid advertising is another effective way to drive targeted traffic. This can involve anything from Google AdWords to Facebook ads. The beauty of paid advertising is that you can get very specific with your targeting. You can target people based on their location, age, gender, interests, and even their online behavior. Driving targeted traffic is not a one-size-fits-all process. It involves trial and error, testing, and tweaking until you find what works best for your store. But the effort is worth it. Because when you attract the right audience, your conversion rates increase, and so do your profits. Now that you're driving targeted traffic to your store, it's time to build a profitable email list. Let's move on to step 5, building a profitable email list. This step is like having a golden ticket to your customer's inbox. It's a direct line of communication that helps you build a relationship with your customers. And here's the best part. It's a relationship that leads to repeat sales and customer loyalty. So how do you build this golden ticket? Start by offering value. This could be in the form of a newsletter, exclusive deals, or insider tips. Make sure to ask for the email at the right time, like when they've just made a purchase or signed up for your newsletter. Once you have your list, it's all about nurturing those relationships. Send regular, valuable content that your customers will appreciate. And remember, it's not just about selling. It's about providing value and building trust. With a profitable email list in place, you're ready for the final step, leveraging Ninja Math for sustainable growth. The final step is leveraging Ninja Math for sustainable growth. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Ninja Math? It's a strategic approach to understanding your business metrics. It's about knowing your numbers, inside and out. With Ninja Math, you're able to predict sales, set realistic goals, and make informed decisions about product offerings and marketing strategies. Think of it this way: if you know that for every 100 visitors to your store, 2 make a purchase, you can predict sales based on traffic. You can also identify areas for improvement. Maybe you need better product descriptions, more compelling visuals, or a simpler checkout process. Equipped with Ninja Math, you're not just reacting to what happens in your business, you're proactively steering it towards success. And that, my friends, is the secret to sustainable growth. And there you have it, your 6-step blueprint to transforming your Shopify store into a 6-figure business. Start implementing these steps today and watch your online business thrive in 2024.